Hey yo guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 where I am opening this Naruto deluxe box again. And the last part, we pull this SSR. And we pull this CP, Sasuke, Killer B. Alright. If you guys not watching the first part, please go to the description or maybe in my playlist. I will put the video in the playlist too, so you guys can check out over there. Okay guys, let me pick this first. This is 15 pack we will pull today. This is our first pack right here. I hope we can get nice pull today. We get SR Kurenai, Durable. Ew, damn. Why though? Same at the part 1, we pull first hit, first pack in the beginning of this video. Why? I think I already have this though, but never mind. I will sell this on my Shopee. Kalau korang dari Malaysia, korang boleh cek dekat description aku. Aku menjual kad-kad yang seperti ini. Aku jual harga yang berpatutan untuk membeli box lagi. Dan kalau korang nak beli box ni pun boleh tengok dekat Shopee aku. So, aku nak sleeve ini dulu. Duplicate dah. Aku dah ada tu. I already got this, but never mind. Our first UR, another pack. Yeah, pack. This is Otola. Pack number 1, pack number 2, SR, Asuma, Haku, and SSR again. Pack number 3, Rock Lee, Asuma, Hakugen, and SR Shikamaru. Pack number 4, Mei, Sasuke, Kidomaru, and SR Sasori. Pack number 5, I think. Okay, number 5. Yo, Sasuke, Sakura. Who is this? I don't remember. Never mind. Yo, another UR there. We pull UR Hidan. UR Hidan. Hidan kah? I think Hidan though. Here. Nice artwork. Look at the hairline. So shiny. Nice. Okay. Pack number 6, I think. Hyo. First Itachi we got today. I don't know who is this. And we got Jugo. We pull SR Onoki. But I just hope in this pack we pull SP or SSP. Not confirm, but sometime we can get SR or SSR in that pack. Minato, this another UR. We pull UR Deidara. Damn, so nice. We still have 7 pack. Another Itachi. This girl, Kimimaru, and we pull SSR. Hey, we already got 3 SSR now. Never mind. We got Kurenai. We got Jugo. We got Sakura. Yo, what is this? What is this? What is this? Yo, Hayate. Hayate. Hayate ka? Not confirmed though. This is Hayate. Look at this, like CP though. Damn. Never mind. Another pic. I hope we all have a great day, and this is the nice cut we pull. Nice. SR Naruto. And we pull SSR guy. Alright. 4 pack left. Another Naruto. We got Rin. We get Mei, and we pull SR Shikamaru. I hope in this pack we can get SSP or SP. Yo, Hashirama, Minato, and we pull SSR Tobirama. Never mind. Okay guys, another pack. Here, another Naruto, Haku, Jurobo, and we pull SSR Sakura. The last pack on this set. Alright, we pull Danzo, Sakon, Minato, and Onoki. But this is the last pack. I just hope in this we can pull SP or SSP. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Oh, before I open this, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I will be happy if we don't get nice cut on this pack. Here. Not nice. Eee, not nice. Damn, this is very nice. Not. Here, this is the all set. Wait. Yo, this is not version 12, but this is version 5. Look at this. Yo, nice though. We pull CP in this purple pack. This pack is random, not confirmed. We can pull this nice CP, but never mind, I will take this. Sorry, Shino. I just think this is SSR though, but we can get CP on this pack. Never mind, let me sleep this. Alright guys, this is the pack we pull, and this is Minato from version 5. Okay, this is the SSR we pull today. Three Hiruzen now, but look at this. You are Deidara, you are Indra, you are Hidan, and CP Shino ka? I think Shino. You got Shino, and this 3 CP2. Alright, 4 CP and 3 UR. But if you guys want to buy this box, please go to the description dekat Shopee aku tu ada aku letak link. Kalau korang nak, boleh beli di situ. Okay guys, thank you for today, and I hope we all have a great day. That's it for this box version 12. I am selling this on Shopee too. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.